You ever notice how Cebuanos and Canadians approach food like they're from two different planets? I swear, if you put a Cebuano and a Canadian in the same restaurant, it's like watching a National Geographic documentary. Observe as the wild Cebuano prepares for hibernation, while the Canadian maintains a delicate ecosystem of leafy greens. So, picture this. I take my Canadian friend to a Cebuano carinderia. You know, the kind where the rice is taller than the owner and the viands have been swimming in the same oil since the Spanish era. I confidently tell the vendor, "Nay, extra rice, ha!" Because of course, a meal isn't a meal if it doesn't come with rice that could fill a sack. Then my Canadian friend steps up and says, "Just a salad, please." Bruh. The whole carinderia went silent. Even the manok bisaya roasting on the grill stopped mid-turn. The rice cooker let out a confused puff of steam. I looked at him like he just ordered a side of manananggal wings. Dili ka gutom mo nana. And this Canadian with full confidence says, "Oh no, I'm good, this is plenty." Plenty? That's just the decoration Cebuano food puts on top of actual food. That's like asking for a lechon and only eating the parsley. Cebuanos, we don't eat for survival. We eat for endurance. We're not just filling our stomachs. We're stocking up for the next typhoon, the next fiesta, the next election campaign with free food. Meanwhile, Canadians? They eat like they have a calorie budget, like they're afraid of offending their cholesterol levels. So we finish eating. I've devoured my usual mountain of rice, while my Canadian friend is nibbling on lettuce like a domesticated rabbit. He looks at me and says, "Wow, you eat a lot." And I say, No, I'm just getting started. Nay, duha piaka extra rice." And that's the moment my Canadian friend realized Cebuanos don't eat to live. We live to eat.